Starting out at the gym as a beginner can be both exciting and overwhelming. To ensure a safe and effective workout experience, here are 6 essentials you need. 1. Comfortable workout clothes. Invest in moisture-wicking, breathable workout clothes that allow for freedom of movement. Proper shoes with good support are essential, especially if you're doing weightlifting or cardio exercises, and especially if you're doing squats. 2. Water bottle. Staying hydrated during your workouts is crucial. Bring a reusable water bottle to the gym and sip water throughout your session. Water is your energy source, and the more you drink, the better. 3. Gym bag. A gym bag is a convenient way to carry your essentials. In addition to your water bottle, you can store your workout clothes, shoes, and other items like a towel depending on the gym, as some don't require you to have one, but good to have just in case. 4. Towel. Like I said before, many gyms provide towels, but it's a good idea to bring your own, especially if you plan to use them during your workout or for wiping down equipment after use. 5. Gym membership. Ensure you have your gym membership card or access key if required. That is definitely an important step, so make sure to remember. Some gyms may also use smartphone apps for check-ins, so make sure you have the necessary app downloaded and set up. 6. Workout plan. Having a structured workout plan is essential for beginners. It helps you stay focused and ensures you're making progress. You can create your own plan or seek guidance from a personal trainer. Include a mix of cardio and strength training exercises. That is one thing everyone fears, is going into the gym and not knowing what to do. So remember, everyone is there to help and plan your trips to the gym or receive help from a personal trainer, so you are well prepared and know what you are doing when you enter the gym. Additionally, while not a physical item, it's crucial to have the right mindset and approach when starting at the gym as a beginner. Here are some tips. Start slowly. Don't feel pressured to do intense workouts right away. Begin with lighter weights and lower intensity exercises to avoid injury. Learn proper form. Take the time to learn proper exercise form to prevent injuries and maximize the effectiveness of your workouts. Consider working with a personal trainer or using instructional resources. Set realistic goals. Set achievable goals that align with your fitness level and aspirations. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Even going to the gym in itself is a victory, so be proud of yourself. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you experience pain or discomfort, it's essential to rest and recover. Don't feel that you are not working hard enough if you take rest or recover. Rest is essential. Consistency is key. Consistency is more important than intensity. Establish a regular gym routine that you can stick to over the long term. You are more likely to improve your fitness going to the gym for 1 hour 4 days a week than having one 4-hour workout a week. So stick to consistency over intensity. Ask for help. Don't hesitate to ask gym staff or experienced gym goers for assistance if you're unsure about equipment usage or need guidance. Remember that the gym staff are there for a reason, and that is for any help that you may need if necessary. Remember that starting at the gym as a beginner is a journey, and progress takes time. Be patient with yourself, stay committed, and enjoy the process of improving your fitness and well-being. Thanks for listening, and keep an eye out for more content like this, as I will be posting weekly on this channel or more. Watch out for the next video on gym essentials for intermediate gym goers.